Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to draw a BMW M3 GTR. We'll begin by lightly sketching the car's fundamental shape, focusing on its aggressive stance. First, establish the wheelbase and overall height to ensure accurate proportions. Think of the car as a series of simple geometric forms, like a long rectangle for the body and circles for the wheels. This initial step is crucial for building a solid foundation for your detailed drawing, making sure everything aligns correctly from the start. Next, let's refine the iconic body lines of the M3 GTR. Pay close attention to the wide, flared fenders, which are a hallmark of its racing pedigree. Carefully add the distinctive hood vents and the aggressive side skirts that run along the lower body. For the wheels, focus on the intricate multi-spoke design, ensuring they look dynamic. Don't forget to include the visible brake calipers behind the spokes, adding a touch of realism to your drawing. Now, let's tackle the front and rear features that define the M3 GTR's powerful presence. Begin by sketching the signature BMW kidney grille and the sharp, focused headlights. Move to the front bumper, detailing its large air intakes that feed the engine. At the rear, carefully draw the prominent, adjustable spoiler, which is crucial for downforce. Add the distinct taillights and the aggressive rear diffuser, completing the car's aerodynamic profile with precision. Finally, it's time to bring your drawing to life with shading and finishing touches. Use varying degrees of pressure to apply shading, creating depth and making the car appear three-dimensional. Pay attention to how light hits the surfaces, adding highlights to show reflections on the sleek bodywork. Don't forget the smaller, yet important, details like the side mirrors, door handles, and any visible badging. These final elements will give your BMW M3 GTR drawing a polished and professional look.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.